lies, manipulation, a liar, like a thief, thoughts in about you, good name, good fame, they likes you, really don't want to talk about your feelings and emotions, reconciliation with you, some kind of overthinking, pressurize. You know that this person will use your feelings against you. Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your online psychic love reading for the month of June, Saturday special. Keep in mind that these readings are journal. This may be resonate with you, maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, take guideline from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Let's get started. What are the Gemini person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Gemini? What are the Gemini person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Gemini? What are the Gemini person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Gemini? And we are having here Tower, Three of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, Six of Wands. What are the Gemini's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Gemini's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? King of Swords, King of Wands, Four of Wands, Swords, Queen of Cups. What are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? Temperance, Ace of Wands. These are your cards and sign that could relate it to your person. Sagittarius with this Temperance, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Ace of Wands, Six of Wands, King of Wands. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this King of Sword, Four of Sword, Seven of Sword. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Three of Pentacles. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Queen of Cups. Your person is shocked here. Some kind of shock you give this person. Some kind of shocking news. They feel like that everything, they feel that shake again, Gemini. They feel shaked, ruined, and falling apart with this Tower card. This person is a bit, in a shaking condition, vibrating, and some kind of, lies, manipulation, sneaky. This is a drop of poison when a person is a liar and a player and tricking you, not so clear, not honest. Their subconscious mind, their conscience is not so clear with the Seven of Swords. This person is a trickster, some kind of manipulation and lies. They always, in after this shock, the first thing in their mind, they just thinking about tricks, tactics, playing. This is all in their head. They become again like that. This honest person, a sneaky person, a liar, like a thief, thoughts in this person's mind. This person just clicked that. This shocked, give them this Seven of Sword feelings and thoughts. They switch this side, clicked their side, and this person and whatever the manipulation, lies, tricks, whatever the shortcut they want to do, just to build a connection with you. Third party may be there between both of you, but they want to build a connection at any cost. They want to build this, they want to gain you, they want to take you, they want to own you. You are a project. For that, they are just like doing everything, tricking you, manipulation. Either, like they can do everything for this connection to build with you. They know that you are famous, dignity, pride in you, people likes you. Even a small amount of, small people, less people, but no matter how many people know about you, good name, good fame, they likes you, they admire you, and you are just like with the Seven of Swords. This person is a tricky person. They will trick you in order to get you. This shock give them switch their this liar, tricky trickster side, and they want to build this connection with you. You are on the other hand totally strict, straightforward, cold. You're done with these tricks and shortcuts, lies and manipulation. You are done with that, so you are totally feeling less for this person and totally straightforward and strict toward this person. And break is still on. If you are taking any kind of break from this person, it's still on. You are tired now. You can't fight. You can't fight for this person. You can't fight behalf of this person. You can't fight beside this person. No, nothing. Taking break and break is on. And this person, sometimes you feel like that this person is self-centered, narcissistic traits in this person. They just want to impress you with their charisma, their charm, with your money, and sometimes you get that feel they just giving you gifts just to, impressing you. By impressing you, they are just compressing you. That kind of feelings you feel toward this person, and you are not offering your, the deep feelings when you are totally free, relaxed, and when you are just laying down and just talking about your feelings, how you feel, what is in your heart. You are not talking about that. You are totally reserving your feelings and emotions. You really don't want to talk about your feelings and emotions with this person. If you are not talking about how you feel, so what kind of love is it? In love, people do that. They talk, it slips from their mouth, they what how they feel, what they are doing, everything in love they do that. But you are not talking to this person about your feelings and emotions, and you are totally feelingless. When a person use your feelings and emotions against you, then you become a queen of cups. But then you take, break when you become feelingless with this person, because they are using your feelings and affection against you. You really don't want that, and that's why you are a king of swords. That's why you are taking a break from this person. This person is narcissistic, tricky person. This person, when this person is that tricky, definitely they know how to use yourself against you. And this person trying to cope up with you, this person's intention right now, they want to just like, I'm not a bad, I'm not tricking you, I'm not manipulating you, I want to take, right now this person is trying to make peace with you, try to cope up with you with mutual harmony. And you can feel that this person is whole new passion bubble up inside them, whole new desires and passions in this, they're offering you, this person offering you their feelings, their passion, their emotions. Let's see what else we have for you. What else we have for you, Gemini? What's the outcome? And we are having here Two of Cups, Queen of Wands, and Eight of Swords. This person wants reunion, reconciliation with you. This is they want, and for that they will do anything. They were willing to do everything. This shock switched their, this tricky side, and they are just right now trying to make peace with you and want reunion with you, want to reunite with you, want you back, want to make peace with you in every matter. And this person is, with this Two of Cups, feel bound towards you, feel connection towards you. They think you are their soulmate. And yes, you are with this Queen of Wands. When this person offering you passion, their feelings, and you are like that, it's like radiant. It's producing it's click your this side when you become more with, King of Wands, Queen of Wands, fiery energy in you, but you are stable on your fire and your passion. Beautiful person, they feel that desire towards you. Beauty with brain, no matter how kind of person you are, but right now a lot of desires they feel towards you. You are adorable and desirable for this person. And with this Eight of Sword, a bit overthinking, you feel pressurized, stuck on a same point. And this person is also thinking about people around them. What will the people say? What will people, how they respond? What will they do? With this Eight of Swords, some kind of overthinking, pressurized right now. Let's see what else we have for you, Gemini. What else we have for you? Let's select some pieces from future. Ace of Cups, Six of Cups, and the Word. This person, now this clarify, now this more clear. This person want to reunite with you. You can feel that vibes from this person. This person want reconciliation. They want you back, the version of your when you are loving towards you, affectionate towards this person, totally emotional towards this, when you are totally give yourself to this person, they want that version of you back. They really don't like the way you are feeling less for them. And you know that this person will use your feelings against you. That's why you are taking break from this person. But this person want to take you back. They are thinking about that, how to take you back. want to reunite with you, and you are, it affects you a bit. This Ace of Cups is about when someone is overwhelmed and emotionally overwhelmed towards you. Their feelings and emotions is totally out of their control, and you can feel that this person is emotional and loving and affectionate towards you, and it's affect you, and you are missing that good times. Once, yes, the version that this person's that version when innocence, clear conscience, loving you, try to understand you, never argue with you, and beautiful, moments you guys, beautiful memories you guys made. You are missing that. But what can you do about all this? Already finished, already naturally ended, already completed. Something is end between both of you when it's supposed to be end with this with this the world card. Let's see what you, Angel, want to add in this reading. It's a good time to give birth to new ideas and situation in your life. I am watching over you, guiding you, and protecting you during these changes. Some kind of new ideas in your head, something new for you. Let's see what advice messages. Believe in destiny. Stop blaming yourself. It's destiny. Work for your success. Stop listening sad music. These are few advice messages in the end, Gemini. And summary of your reading is this person is shocked, and this shocked clicked their this trickster side, and they know that you are a you are a dignity and pride in you, and they want to build a connection with you, and they want reconciliation. They are emotional towards you, and you are totally feeling less for this person, cold toward this person, taking a break from this person. You are stable on your feelings and emotions, and between both of you it's already ended. These are few summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.